14A District Court, County of Washtenaw, State of Michigan is now in session. All those having business before the court draw near. The Honorable Judge J. Cedric Simpson presiding.
And good morning, everyone. Sorry about my delay. Del Virgil Properties versus Douglas Hollings.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
Yeah, good morning.
Sorry, now.
Douglas Hollingsworth. There is no response. If you'd raise your right hand to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Go ahead.
Thank you. This is a case for non-payment of rent. Rent to retain possession is $3,100. Court costs are $175 for a total balance of $3,275. Plaintiff is asking for a default judgment for possession only with a writ to issue after 10 days, which I have is after September 8th, 2025.
Judgment to the plaintiff. That is by default for possession, redemption amount in the amount requested, writ to issue in 10 days. Del Virgil Properties versus Courtney McCoy.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
And Keith Rutley. Okay, there's Mr. Rutley. Hello, sir. All right. What is plaintiff's claim in this case?
I have a balance including court costs of $2,620.
All right. Sir, how are you guys intending on getting that paid?
Well, what happened was I got laid off from my job, and my girlfriend was trying to pay it by herself, but she's doing just as much as she could. And then she got sick. Our whole house caught COVID, so we were off for a month. And I'm trying to get unemployment. I actually just had a hearing the other day, I think 2 days ago, about getting my unemployment back. But we're planning on moving. She just got approved for Section 8 housing in Monroe, and we can't move.
So you're moving?
Yes, and we can't move until the 19th.
The 19th? Okay. What I'm going to do, what is my adjourn date?
Your next adjourn date is going to be the 5th, September 5th.
All right. What I'm going to do, sir, if you are intending on moving, then you can certainly arrange a move. You're entitled to a week to try to see if you can get financing to get this or get assistance to get this paid. I'll adjourn this to September 5th, 2025 at 12 noon. All right. And we can see where we can go from there. I might suggest if you've got the 19th that you contact counsel and see if you can arrange a move out date so we can get this taken care of.
So is there a way that we can also set up a payment plan, or I just got to go through the actual?
I think you can do that also with them.
Mr. Rutley, if you want, you can call the phone number under James Fink on the court paperwork and leave your name and your number and email, and then we can get in touch with you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Have a good holiday.
You too.
Evergreen Apartments versus Christine Baker.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
And we're live in Judge Simpson's courtroom, where even the calmest morning can turn dramatic fast. Keep an eye on how he runs this tight ship. Every pause, every question has meaning.
Here.
Yes.
Miss Baker?
Yes.
Okay, there you are. I was trying to pick you up on my screen. All right. What is the claim in this case? This is a termination?
That is correct. The notice was sent for housekeeping concerns leading to a pest infestation. It's not relevant to the reason for the termination, but I believe Ms. Baker's voucher was terminated as well.
All right, Ms. Baker?
Yes.
What's your position on this termination case?
Well, it's been a problem since I moved into that place. RPI has been asked them to spray, and they're spraying what they have done hasn't done anything. It's just multiplied more. I've been fogging myself trying to get rid of the problem.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Yes.
It's my understanding that the housekeeping issues are preventing the home from being effectively treated.
Because it's not properly prepped. Yeah, I
That's
kind of
correct.
picked up that. Okay, Miss Baker,
Yes,
are you gonna talk to an attorney to try to get you to get some help with this case?
I couldn't hear you. I'm hearing impaired.
Okay, are you gonna get an attorney?
I'm trying to listen.
Okay, are you gonna get somebody to help you with this case? Like an attorney, a lawyer?
Yes.
Yes? Okay,
Because
I'm gonna give you one, go ahead.
my CMH worker has told me today that my voucher is active.
Okay.
Okay.
So why don't you give legal services a call? Okay. Maybe work through your CMH worker. Okay, and I'll adjourn this out 1 week for you to get that done, okay?
Okay.
So it'll be September 5th at noon.
My the CMH worker, she's gonna be out Monday there and to talk to me.
Okay. So I'll adjourn it to next Friday at noon, and you'll need to come in to the courthouse and be here in person, okay?
Okay.
All right, we'll see you then. Thank you.
Mhm.
Evergreen Apartments versus Wanissa Matthews.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
Don't project it.
Wanissa Matthews? No
You can feel the struggle here. It's more than just rent. It's real life colliding with court deadlines. The judge is patient, but make no mistake, the clock is ticking.
response. You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is a termination of tenancy case. And Ms. Matthews sent plaintiff a notice to vacate on 6/3/2025, saying that she wanted to terminate the lease and not renew it. So the lease expired on August 3rd, 2025, which was the date Ms. Matthews gave for her notice to vacate. And so she has not returned possession to plaintiff. At this time, we are asking for a default judgment for possession only with a writ to issue after 10 days.
Judgment to the plaintiff, that is by default for possession, no redemption amount, writ to issue in 10 days. Evergreen Apartments versus, is it Francely Fernandez?
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
Projected.
Thank
They are not checked in. You may proceed.
you, Your Honor. This is a case for non-payment of rent. Rent to retain possession is $3,296.68. Court costs are $172 for a total of $3,468.68. Plaintiff is requesting a default judgment for possession only with a writ to issue after 10 days.
Judgment to the plaintiff, that's by default for possession, redemption amount, any amount requested, writ to issue in 10 days. Evergreen Apartments versus Charlotte, is it Jamira?
Jillian Engen
Hi.
for plaintiff.
Is Jamira? Oh,
Hi,
there you
can
are.
you hear me?
Oh, we can hear you. You need to turn on a camera, please. And
Okay,
while
my
you do
phone,
that,
I don't know if,
pardon?
I don't think my phone will have a camera.
All right.
Oh wait, here we go.
Okay, what is plaintiff's, while she does that, what is plaintiff's claim?
Your Honor, I have a balance including court costs of $1,430.37.
All right. And Ms. Jamira, when are you going to get that paid?
So I can pay like $500 on Monday, but I have an interview today with another job. I currently have 2 jobs. I'm working extra hours right now to cover it. I know that it's going to roll over next month, so I'll have more to pay. So I'm just hoping to make it before the end of the month.
before, to pay it off before the end of September?
Yes.
Okay, you're gonna have to arrange something with the plaintiff. What I'll do is I'll adjourn this out a week for you to either seek some assistance or try to see if you can get some of this paid down. But pay the $500 on the 1st. I will adjourn it out to September 5th, 2025 at 12 noon. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Evergreen Apartments versus Dion Stevenson.
Jillian
And
Engen, sorry.
it's a Rayona Tubbs.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
Okay. Mr. Stevenson's here. What is plaintiff's claim?
I have a balance, including court costs, of $3,859.99.
All right. Okay, Mr. Stevenson, how are you guys going to get this paid?
Well, I had contacted Hawk already, and I have an appointment with them on September the 9th. And I also did my SCR application, and DHS contacted me right before this court started, and I told them I couldn't accept the call right now. So they said that they're trying to schedule an interview for me.
Okay. What I will do, given all of that, is I will adjourn this out to September 5th, 2025 at 12 noon. Understand that at that time, your September rent will have clicked in also. So the other thing that you're going to need to do is in your paperwork that you receive from court, there is a rental assistance form. You need to fill that out. Drop that to the court by next Wednesday. Okay.
Okay.
That will, and you have to make sure that your tracking number for your SER is on there.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Court calls the case of Evergreen Apartments versus Damani McWright
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
and Linda Logan. They're both here. Where are they? Okay, I got it. Okay, there's Logan, there's McWright. Okay, hello, folks. All right, what is plaintiff's claim in this case?
I have a balance, including court costs, of $900.42.
$900.42. Okay. All right, folks. How are you intending on getting that paid?
Notice that move? The judge just gave him extra time. Not something every tenant gets. That's a small window of mercy. But will it be enough?
It should be paid by the 5th.
By the
5th.
5th, you're saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how much is your monthly rent? Are you going to be able to pay September also, or?
So September and August will be paid by the 5th.
Okay. Can that get paid before? Well, let me ask this. Can you get it paid by is that a paycheck that's coming in and putting stuff together to pay that? Is that what you're doing?
Yes, sir. I'm in between jobs. I was working at Jack Products, but they kept sending me home due to me being a temp. So I switched jobs. I currently work at FedEx, and I work at Burger King also. I'm just working.
All right. I'm just the only reason I'm asking is if you can get it paid, if you're going to get August and September paid by the 5th, if you can get it paid before noon that day or pay it on the 4th, then this case will be likely be dismissed as long as you've paid everything.
By the 4th, I don't know for sure if I can do it by the.
Well, I know. All I'm saying is all I'm indicating is if you can get it paid, it can be dismissed.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So what I will do is I will adjourn this out September 5th, 2025 at 12 noon. All right. That's an in-person hearing, so you'll have to appear at the courthouse, okay?
And if I get it paid before, I don't have to come to court?
If you get everything paid off and make sure everything's paid off, you don't have to show up.
Yes, sir.
Mr. McRae, just be in contact with Sydney. She'll let you know if it's going to be dismissed.
Yes, sir.
All right,
Yes,
thank
ma'am.
you.
Okay. All right. Thank you, folks.
Yeah.
Evergreen Apartments versus Matt Hilton.
Yeah,
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
here,
Okay, where
here.
thought I heard him say, oh, there he is. I got him.
I'm here.
I just had to pick you up on the screen. I got you, sir. All right. What is plaintiff's claim in this case?
I have a balance including court costs of $2,271.80.
All right. And sir, how are you intending on getting that paid?
I have a job now. I was unemployed for about mid-May until beginning of August. I paid $450 like 2 days ago. And then since I was the 26th, I got the check on 14 days later is my next payday, which is something like August the 10th-ish, something like that. I have a calendar in front of me. I would be able to pay another $800 at least. I'm only getting like 25 hours of work right now. You had asked in the beginning if there are any reasons why pay hasn't been, or why rent hasn't been paid. I have a few. I went to the Southern Michigan Legal Services online and I read some stuff and I wrote stuff down. One of them.
So you're gonna get an attorney?
I mean, I would
sir?
have to. I mean, if you're going to make it a judgment, I would have to clearly. I mean, I'm not going to be able to pay. I'd be able to pay them if I don't have a job. But I mean, I'll be able to pay the. I don't know how much I'll have on that check, but so if you don't want to hear about that, my managers at TJ Maxx, where I had been working, were extremely pushy, and I'd lied about my wage and hours. Was one of the reasons why I became unemployed. And then when I had
Okay,
been working,
I gotcha, but
okay,
the thing is that you don't know how much you're gonna be able to. You won't be able to pay anything before the 5th, correct?
the 5th of August, that's correct.
5th of September.
5th of September, I won't be able to pay then, that's correct.
Okay.
Because I
So
don't get
here's
paid
what
until a week later.
I'm gonna adjourn it out to September 5th, 2025 at 12 noon. That's an in-person hearing, so you'll have to appear at the courthouse. And you need to try to figure out something or call counsel and see if you can arrange some type of payment plan if the landlord will arrange that, okay?
All right.
All right, thank you.
This is a crucial detail. If an apartment isn't prepped for pest control, the problem can come right back. Judges hear hundreds of these cases, but housekeeping can make or break them.
Court does call the case of Evergreen Apartments versus Patricia Tiani. Thank you.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
And Ahmad Tihani. I probably am mispronouncing that all over the place. Pardon? Neither are here. Tiani, no one's present. You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have a balance. Rent to retain possession is $1,304.15. Court costs are $214 for a total of $1,518.15. Plaintiff is requesting a default judgment for possession only with a writ to issue after 10 days.
Judgment to the plaintiff. That is by default for possession, redemption amount, any amount requested, writ to issue 10 days. Evergreen Apartments versus Dustin Mickles and Antoinette Mickles.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
Like Dustin's here.
Yes, I am, sir.
All right, very good. Pardon?
So how are you today?
I don't know. I think I'm doing okay. Thank you for asking. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you.
All right. All right. What is plaintiff's claim in this case?
I have a balance including court costs of $3,413.38.
All right. And sir, how are you intending on getting that paid?
I just wanted to let it know that I would have never got behind if when I moved over here, we were supposed to get a 3-bedroom, and 2 days before we moved in, the 3-bedroom was not available anymore. And so I don't know if you remember, but I was trying to get my housing voucher back a few months ago.
I remember.
Yeah, I just had to give it up because they wouldn't cover a 2-bedroom, which I had to go into because I had a family, I had to move. So that's the only reason that I got behind.
Okay.
Because my voucher wouldn't cover a 2-bedroom, so I just had to give my voucher up on August 23rd. But
All right.
yeah, my plan is to basically go into my 401k and take it all out so I can catch up on the rent.
Got it. Okay. So how long is that going to take you to do?
I have to pay the remaining balance of my loan, so it should be around like September 20th that I'll have it paid, because I have to wait like a 14-day grace period after I pay it off. And it's going to be paid off on the 3rd, and then I have to wait 14 days after that. So around the 20th or 22nd.
Okay, so here's what I'm going to do.
Okay.
I'm going to adjourn this out to September 5th, 2025 at 12 noon. That's an in-person hearing. You might want to contact the attorney's office for the like your landlord and see if you can arrange either a conditional order dismissal with that plan in place.
Okay.
Or something along those lines. Okay. Otherwise, we'll deal with it when you get here.
You said September 5th. What day is that, sir?
That's a Friday.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. That'll work.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much.
Right.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Evergreen Apartments versus Jermaine Magum?
Jillian Engen for plaintiff, Your Honor. We will be submitting a dismissal. I believe Mr. Mangum paid up today.
Got it. Okay. Case is dismissed. That is without prejudice.
Thank you. Yeah.
Glencoe Hills versus Tierra Malcolm.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
Not checked.
Tierra Malcolm, they are not checked in. You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is a case for non-payment of rent. Rent to retain possession is $1,654.11. Court costs are $171 for a total of $1,825.11. Plaintiff is requesting a default judgment for possession only with a writ to issue after 10 days.
Judgment to the plaintiff by default for possession, redemption amount in the amount requested, writ to issue in 10 days. Gulfside Lakes versus Alicia Sarr.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
Yes.
All right, there's my Sarr. All right, what is plaintiff's claim?
I have a balance including court costs of $1,799.17.
All right. And ma'am, how are you intending on getting that paid?
It's for assistance, but I plan on getting it paid by the 5th.
By the 5th?
Yes.
Okay. Can you will you be paying your September rent also or no?
Yes, but it'll be in a partial payment.
Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'll adjourn this to the 5th, 2025 at 12 noon. All right. So you think you can at least get the back balance and something else paid, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So I'll indicate that in the file. I'll set it for the noon time on the 5th. That's an in-person hearing. You'll have to appear at the courthouse, and then we'll figure out where we're going to go with September if you get all that paid. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Gulfside Lakes versus Dewan Wintermate.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.